35 ml of a lovely dry gin.
What is a dry gin?
A dry gin. So dry gin, just like a dry wine or a sweet wine, it's a not sweet gin. Because actually you can have, which we will get to later, a sweeter style of gin. But the dry should be quite, as it says, dry, so not very sweet. It's a new style of gin from London, and when I say new, it's from like late 1800s, but it's the newer style of gin. And it's kind of the gin flavour that most people consider to be gin, if you know what I mean? Because that's the kind of the style that survived. Now we serve our dry gin with a lemon. That's because there's lemon in that gin. And we want to try and, bring out the flavours that are present in the gin, which is what for example, you would do with a cucumber gin. Mm-hmm. Cucumber gins already have cucumber present in the flavour of the gin, and then when you pop a slice of cucumber in, it brings out that cucumber flavour. So our gin, the citrus in that gin is lemon, and that's why we pop in lemon to make it just a little bit fresher and citric in that
And
way.
you seem to do two gins. You do a Bermondsey Dry and an Old Tom.
Yes.
And how, in a few words, how do you describe an Old Tom? You told me what the Bermondsey Dry is.
So the Old Tom is traditionally a sweet gin, which is a bit different. It was popular in the 1800s, so for the G&T, so a gin and tonic, and it's very flavourful. It was made in stills that couldn't make that really pure alcohol, so to help with the alcohol being a little bit harsh, they put in more flavours to make it more nice. So this one has a lot of roots, including licorice root, which is what gives it that sort of sweet flavour on the back of the palate. And the recipe for the Jensen's Old Tom is actually from Bermondsey. It's dated to roughly 1840s, as the diary wasn't fully dated, but it was just discovered by Christian in the local library.